Canada's Thanksgiving Day Special. Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving Day, sometimes called Canadian Thanksgiving, to distinguish it from the American holiday of the same name, is an annual Canadian holiday, occurring on the second Monday in October, which celebrates the harvest and other blessings of the past year. Thanksgiving has been officially celebrated as an annual holiday in Canada since November 6, 1879. While the date varied by year and was not fixed, it was commonly the third Monday in October. On January 31, 1957, the Governor-General of Canada Vincent Massey issued a proclamation stating, "A day of general thanksgiving to Almighty God for the bountiful harvest with which Canada has been blessed, to be observed on the second Monday in October." Traditional celebration. As a liturgical festival, Thanksgiving corresponds to the British and continental European Harvest Festival, with churches decorated with cornucopias, pumpkins, corn, wheat sheaves, and other harvest bounty. British and European harvest hymns are sung on the Sunday of Thanksgiving weekend. While the actual Thanksgiving holiday is on a Monday, Canadians may gather for their Thanksgiving feast on any day during the long weekend. However, Sunday is considered the most common. Foods traditionally served at Thanksgiving include roasted turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes with gravy, sweet potatoes, cranberry sauce, sweet corn, various autumn vegetables, mainly various kinds of squashes but also Brussels sprouts, and pumpkin pie. Baked ham and apple pie are also fairly common, and various regional dishes and desserts may also be served, including salmon, wild game, Jig's dinner with split pea pudding, butter tarts, and Nanaimo bars. In Canadian football, the Canadian Football League has usually held a nationally televised doubleheader, the Thanksgiving Day Classic. It is one of 2 weeks in which the league plays on Monday afternoons, the other being the Labor Day Classic. Kitchener-Waterloo Oktoberfest holds a Thanksgiving parade on the holiday. It is broadcast on CTV on tape delay. The parade consists of floats, civic figures in the region, local performance troops and marching bands. Canadian Thanksgiving coincides with the observance in the United States of Columbus Day and the American Indigenous Peoples Day. As such, American towns with high levels of Canadian tourism will often hold their fall festivals over Thanksgiving Columbus Day weekend, in part to draw and accommodate Canadian tourists. The Fall Festival of Ellicottville, New York, has been identified as an annual pilgrimage for Canadians. Border towns also often experience an uptick in shoppers at grocery stores, as Canadian shoppers take advantage of lower sales taxes and commodity prices in the United States over the long holiday. Thanksgiving dinner. The centerpiece of contemporary Thanksgiving in the United States and in Canada is a large meal, generally centered on a large roasted turkey. It is served with a variety of side dishes which vary from traditional dishes such as mashed potatoes, stuffing, and cranberry sauce, to ones that reflect regional or cultural heritage. The majority of the dishes in the traditional American version of Thanksgiving dinner are made from foods native to the New World, as according to tradition the Pilgrims received these foods, or learned how to grow them, from the Native Americans. Thanksgiving dinner is the largest eating event in the United States. People eat more on Thanksgiving than on any other day of the year. Main dishes. Turkey. Turkey is the most common main dish of a Thanksgiving dinner, to the point where Thanksgiving is sometimes colloquially called Turkey Day. In 2006, American turkey growers were expected to raise 270 million turkeys, to be processed into 5 billion pounds of turkey meat valued at almost $8 billion. With 1/3 of all turkey consumption occurring in the Thanksgiving-Christmas season, and a per capita consumption of almost 18 pounds (8.2 kilograms). The broad-breasted white turkey is particularly bred for Thanksgiving dinner and similar large feasts. Its large-size specimens can grow to over 40 pounds. And meat content make it ideal for such situations, although the breed must be artificially bred and suffers from health problems due to its size. Most Thanksgiving turkeys are stuffed with a bread-based mixture and roasted. Sage is the traditional herb added to the stuffing, along with chopped celery, carrots, and onions. Other ingredients, such as chopped chestnuts or other tree nuts, crumbled sausage or bacon, cranberries, raisins, or apples, may be added to stuffing. If this mixture is prepared outside the bird, it may be known as dressing. Deep-fried turkey is rising in popularity due to its shorter preparation time, but carries safety risks. The consumption of turkey on Thanksgiving is so ingrained in American culture that each year since 1947, the National Turkey Federation has presented a live turkey to the President of the United States prior to each Thanksgiving. These turkeys were initially slaughtered and eaten for the President's Thanksgiving dinner. Since 1989, the presented turkeys have typically been given a mock pardon to great fanfare and sent to a park to live out the rest of their usually short natural lives. Beverages. The beverages at Thanksgiving can vary as much as the side dishes, often depending on who is present at the table and their tastes. Spirits or cocktails sometimes may be served before the main meal. On the dinner table, unfermented apple cider, still or sparkling, or wine are often served. Pitchers of sweet tea can often be found on southern tables. Beaujolais Nouveau is sometimes served. The beverage has been marketed as a Thanksgiving drink since the producers of the wine, which is made available only for a short window each year, set the annual release date to be 1 week before Thanksgiving beginning in 1985. And it is said to pair well with the wide variety of food served for Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving marks the beginning of eggnog season. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit notification bell. Thank you for watching.